Hindi mo lang ako babayaran. So, yung mga mag-i-decent proposal sa akin, tumatanggap ako, $50 up, pwede na ako iuwi. Pwede ko. Basta may meal ha, may pagkain ha. Sira ni Sito naman ako. Masyado kasi malaki eh. Yung pantalon! Take it off? Relax, relax. Di ba ako masyado kasi? Cheers! Tuwa muna! Ang gabi! Namili ako ng babaeng kahalikan. Lalaki daw. Baka pwede yung tumawin ngayon, birthday ko naman. Meron ba gusto ng kiss? Gandahan naman natin. Para naman hindi ako mag-kiss na lalaki yung mga nang-kiss ko. Kaya yan. Malam, nanti kau main ke nanti kau. Oh itu lah. Nanti kena show you. Hai, ano pangalan madam? Ha? Amy. Ako pala si Jay, ako yung vocalista ng banda namin. Sikat kami dati. Sikat kami dati. Ha?
I love you guys.
I love you too. Grabe yung mata mo, in love. Ganyan talaga yung mata mo? Ano? Si Pagi. Ano naman po eh? Ano po? Ganda na smile niya. Grabe. Hi, Amy. Pwede mo naman, taga saan ka?
Kaya Las Vegas.
Oh. Is this your place? Very big, girl. Is this your pets? Wow. Are your pets? Wow. Nice Labrador and big boobs. In the Philippines, where are you there?
Hindi Pampangas.
Ah, no. No ka rin Angeles. No ka rin Angeles. No ka rin Angeles.
Yung Lourdes po.
Lourdes. Basta lolo kang sinabi ng dati. Na, my grandmother is from Pampanga also. From San Fernando. So, you have something to do later? You want to get married or let's take a shower? It's my birthday today. Do you have any gifts?
What would you like?
Huh?
What would you like?
Oh! I have two things in mind. One is $1,000 and the other is secret. No, you guys are kinky and horny. They're kinky the hell, so be quiet. So Amy, before we do this, oh no. Kanina tinabagan ako ng asawa ko, huwag daw ako masyadong tatahalik. Ayun na lang, ako'y nakikiusap sa lahat na kukuha ng picture ngayon. Please, huwag nyo na itag to o huwag nyo na i-post. O birthday nyo na sa akin. Please! Nagaling ang asawa ko sa akin kanina. Sabi niya, siguro nagpakis ka na ng mga gabi. Sabi ko sana, hindi ko napigilan. Trabaho lang to. Pero ito, ang nabahuhin kita. Lako lang. Pwede mo naman kung ilang taon ka na? 24? Will you marry me? Hindi ko magsalita. Hindi na ako magsalita. We have a rule in kissing girls. If the girl is 17 years old and below, she can only kiss me in the cheek because she is so young and doesn't know what she is entering. But if the girl is 18 and above, she has the freedom to do whatever she wants. Only stupid girl goes into some kind of trouble if she's not thinking. But you, if you do this, there's no turning back, man. Magawa na ito. Ay, nako. Oh! Nakikusap mo, maayos ang usapan, ha? Pipikit ako, ma'am. Pwede mo kiss kahit saan. Kahit saan. Ito lang ang pakiusap ko sa lahat ng tao nandito. Kung hahalikan niya ako sa labi, kung napicturean niyo, pwede huwag niyo i-post. Itago niyo lang sa wallet niyo. Please. Ano lang? Yan na lang. Huwag mo lang lagi sa labi. Mamaya na lang. Kasi pipikit ako. Sudis. Sira ulo ka. I talk all the time, so when I thought what I thought was simple, when I thought that I don't belong, and now that I am leaving, now I know that I did something wrong because I missed you. Come on, everybody! Yeah! Only hear what I want to, a song in the heart. I don't understand that you run it to anyone, anywhere. I don't understand if you really get. I'm only hearing negative. No, 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 no. Turn the radio on and turn the radio off. I don't know what I got to say in this song. Something with the button that you run inside the way. Something with the button that I didn't want to say. Somebody bitch, but die to the same for you. This time, let's set it better. So, you stay. Our next song goes to the people who will keep on giving us